Greetings. Why I was led to read a lot of books. I read over 10,000 books, attended more than 4,000 seminars and workshops, including webinars and other online classes. I've attended a lot of libraries, and I read books by boxes. Together, I read over 10,000 books within, let's say, 10-year period. Now, why I read so many books? Knowledge is a great tool. For most people, in order for them to progress in life, in order for them to discover who they really are, they have to read a book. A book is simply a signpost of information to lead you towards a destination. If you need to go from here to Guatemala, you might read a book about how to get from here to Guatemala. A book written by someone who actually took the journey from here to Guatemala. So this is why I read a lot of books. So books really contribute to the evolution of my current state of awareness, my current state of consciousness. Also, a lot of meditation, cleansing, fasting have contribute to this state of presence, to this state of purification. And I am here with you now because I encourage you to read books, I encourage you to meditate, I encourage you to fast and cleanse. And I encourage you to exercise often, and I encourage you to eat healthy. Alkaline your body, and empty your body of negative energies, empty your body of negative everything. So when your body is empty of negative energies, you make room inside your body so consciousness can flow through with ease. Now, welcome. Read a lot of books. Fenol The Great. And I will keep on reading. By the way, this is one of my books. I read so many books. Now I'm an author of many books. You can get it online on Amazon. Living Beyond My Wildest Dreams. And there are many other books that I wrote or co-authored. You can find them online. You can find them on my website as well, fenolthegreat.com. And yeah, so reading is a wonderful way to enhance your inner wisdom, to enhance your knowledge, to enhance your state of consciousness. Yes.